Alright, so recap from yesterday, especially because we didn't record this, did we? No. Oh, I can't. Alright, so remember, if we're trying to solve quadratic, what do we have to make sure that it's equal to? Zero. So if it's not equal to 0, you have to rearrange it to start with. And then what method were we looking at yesterday? What did we then do with that expression? Factorize it, which means put it into two brackets, yes? Remember the two brackets, we choose our numbers because they have to multiply to the end one and add to get a coefficient of x, yes? Then we say, once we've factorized it, we know our solutions. Emma, I'm trying to help you here, so I know that I'm explaining it, so that's compressed. So, once we've factorized, and because it's equal to 0, it tells me that either this bracket or this bracket is equal to 0. So this would be x is -3, this would be x is -2. So we're going to have two answers that make this statement true. Because we're saying that x plus 3 will equal 0, so if we rearrange that, it's always going to end up being the opposite value. 0 taken 3 would be 0. Yeah? If there are numbers in front, so for example these ones here, we've got 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. And so can you remind me what would be one of my solutions if this was my bracket? Pardon? No, minus 2 over 3 quarters. So that's it, yes? You happy with this? So it's the opposite of this value over this one. So Lara, what would the other one be?
1 over 4.
Now, it's always the opposite of this value, just over this. You don't have to change the sign of that. So it would just be positive 1 over 2. Yes, makes sense? Emma?
I do that.
Because what we're saying is that 3x plus 2 would be equal to 0, and rearranging that, you end up with that. Okay? It's just, we like to look for shortcuts for that. And we notice that it's just the opposite of this value divided by that. And it works the same when it's just x. It's just because there's a sequence 1 opposed there. It's minus 3 over 1. But obviously we don't do like minus 3 over 1. Alright? So that's recap yesterday. That's when it's lovely we're able to factorize that. Sometimes we can't. Okay? In those cases, we need to use the quadratic formula. Oh, now I need to remember you've been given it. Has anyone got that? Yeah, I copied that formula sheet for you. Remember? And then to me. I don't know. So in each of the exams, you get given some formulae. And the quadratic formula is on there. So you don't need to learn it. But you will find it becomes like second nature. This is the quadratic formula. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So it has to be in this format. Then our solutions are negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, you're probably like, go, what the heck is she on about? That's what you're watching. Literally, you're just finding the numbers from your equation. So you literally just find the numbers that are from the equation and substitute it into this one. Now, what did we say about the number of solutions that we had? What was another one? 2. Over 99% of the time. Well, how are we going to end up with 2 solutions here? Well, you've got a plus minus sign here. So one solution is where you're going to add that, and one solution is going to be where you subtract it. You all with me? Yeah? Be careful because this first one is a minus b, so whatever the value of b is going to be the opposite sign of it to start with. Yeah, okay. I'm going to go through a couple with you by hand, and then I'm going to show you the sneaky shortcut with your fancy calculators. Okay, because all you need to do with your calculators is plug the values in, press a button, and it works out for you. So you don't actually have to go through this process. However, to show you're working, you would need to literally write that. So all you need to do is write the numbers in the correct place and then stick them in your calculator and control it for you. Okay? So, here, this will be a tip for you if you have to use the quadratic formula. What you'll find about these answers here is they tend to be whole numbers or nice fractions. These ones, if the question talks about something needing to be rounded, then it tells you you're not going to be using factorising as your method. You have to use quadratic. Now, saying that, you can always use the quadratic formula to solve the equation. So even these first ones that we did here, we could use the quadratic formula to solve them. It's just that it takes a little bit of time to work it out, and factorising is a lot faster. Right, go back to it. Alright, so solve the following to 2DP. So, first thing I want you to do is to identify your values of A, B, and C. So, A in this case would be what? B would be, and C would be. Okay, so that's just establishing your A, B, and C. Because A, if we compare this here, A is the number of times X squared. And if there's no actual number, remember there's always going to be a secret one. So you're then going to use your formula, so you write X equals, so it's minus B, so it's minus 3, plus or minus, so literally you write a plus and a minus, the square root of B squared. Now, I'm going to put this in a bracket. It's not as important when it comes to whole numbers, I mean, like positive numbers, but when it's negative numbers, if you are putting it into this formula like this, you'll get the wrong answer if you don't have brackets around it. If you're going to use the fancy thing here, then it's not as important. Okay, but just be aware you should be having brackets around it, especially for negative. Minus 4. Now when we've got 4AC, what does that mean to happening to those numbers? They're being multiplied. 4 in the formula. Yeah? 4 is always there. A is 1 and C is negative 1. Over 2 multiplied by A. So all I've done is substitute in these A, B, and C into my formula as it's shown above. What if we have those values? Part in the question? Yes. To solve this equation. So, normal, if I just had 3x plus 7 equals 12, I would rearrange that and I would have one answer. Okay, this is a linear equation. Yes, what value makes this statement true? Now we're trying to find what values of x make this true. And when it's a quadratic equation, you 99% of the time will have two solutions. Okay? I say 99% of the time because occasionally you're going to get a repeated solution. So it will be the same number. Okay? So two different options, yes. Well, one is where we follow the plus path, and one is where we follow the minus path. Yeah.
Is this one you can't do the whatever multiplies to?
Yes. The reason we have to do this is because we cannot factorise it. We can't find two numbers that multiply to one and 3. But equally, the question gave us that hint because they told us round it. So if it says round it, it tells you in the head you cannot factorise it.
So what if you have a calculator just put that in the minus stack?
No. So okay, so this is where it comes. So this is the bare minimum you have to write. Okay. Now, obviously, you could work out these bits, and you can. So let's do the first one just like this. So we will carry on. We have minus 3 plus or minus. Now, all of this stuff here it's easier to work that out correctly. So this would be 3 squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9. Then what's happening here? We've got 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1. So what does that give us? So this is going to be 4 multiplied by 1, which is multiplied by negative 1, which is negative 4, yes? And we're taking away negative 4. So let's just write that. Yeah. Let's just take away negative 4 just for the time being. And then as several people are telling me, yes, that's going to become plus.
Yeah, isn't it the negative 4 kind of it's a negative sign in front of the 4, so isn't it negative 4?
Okay, you have a choice. I've kept my takeaway here, and I've done 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1, which gives me negative 4. Okay? So I have got takeaway negative 4. You could say, right, that's negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1, which will give you plus, which either method you're going to end up adding these numbers. So you have a choice. Yes, you are correct. I'm just keeping it here just to keep it looking more like this.
So you say like a, is that C1? Is it negative 1? Because in the equation, it says that the part of the reverse, it needs to be 1.
No. These values A, B, and C are from here.
Yeah.
The formula up above is negative B. So that's the only value that we change to be the opposite.
No.
So that's
What is C? It says negative 1.
because there's a negative 1. No, let's pretend. The only thing I have written as the opposite sign is this one, because the formula is minus B. So whatever the sign was, we're going to write it. Okay?
So you calculate, when you calculate, you said literally like minus 4 times 1 times 1. You have to do it in a specific order.
No, I would probably use brackets myself. I would put negative brackets. I would do take away 4 bracket, 1 bracket, negative 1. So subtract.
Why are we subtracting?
Because that's what this is, a subtraction.
Oh. Why are we?
Alright, okay. This is a totally different method. Okay? So the last method, we factorize and we solve by saying that we're going to solve each of the brackets equal to 0. Therefore, our values end up in the opposite of what they were in the factorized brackets. This, you can't factorize it. You cannot count the 2 numbers that multiply to the negative 1 and those same 2 numbers add to equal to 3. So because we cannot factorize it, we're using this formula. Totally different. Okay? Everyone else okay? Alright, so here, I'm then going to work out bits as we go. So we've got x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of, as we've noticed, this is going to be plus root 13 over 2. This is where we come into our 2 different answers. One of the paths is where we are going to follow the plus, and one is where we're going to follow the subtract. So we've got x equals negative 3 plus root 13 over 2, and x equals negative 3 subtract root 13 over 2. Now officially, you can leave those, unofficially, you could leave the answers as they were like that. But because the question has specifically asked us to round them, we would have to work out what these were. Now, it's only until up to this point have I needed my calculator though. Okay, you could do the rest of it without. We're very good at maths, so we've done all this. I don't know what root 13 is as a number. So at this point now, we're going to stick that in our calcs, and someone's going to tell us our two answers, please.
Can we write all the working out, or do we just write the big thing and then write it?
Yeah, I'm going to clarify that in a second, but yes, bare minimum with this, and then the final one. Yep. To 2 decimal places, everyone, I think. 3, 0, and the other one is negative 3.3, 0.
Your baby one? Or
You put the baby one, yeah.
So the first one. Wait, what?
Thanks, Lily.
Wait a minute.
Wait, it's 0.34. And then I
Oh,
that's root 13. But first time I did it with form 1 minus 1.
What?
Same thing.
Yeah.
Eight.
That one?
Wait.
Okay, so there's our two solutions. There's not always a connection between these. Okay, so please don't just say, oh, I found the first one, therefore I'm just the second one's going to be obvious. Not always obvious. Okay, it depends on the values that you have. Now, everybody asks me what's the minimum I have to write. I think she'd like to write as little as possible. This is the minimum you have to write, and this. The reason being is that, as I said, you can use your calculators to solve that. Let's look at the next example, and then I'll go back to the back of the room and try and show you your calculator. I think it's been uploaded, but I need to double check. So, for each question though, the first step has, well, actually the first step has to be that it's still equal to 0. So you need to make sure it's equal to 0. The second step is you identify your A, your B, and your C. So your A in this case is, B is -6, and C is -8. Okay, so there's my three numbers. We're then going to put them into that formula. Now remember, it's minus B. So what am I actually going to write here? 6. Positive 6. Yes, you're happy with that? I'm trying to make sure it's 6 and not B. Plus or minus -6 squared. Now remember, as I said, you need to clear brackets, otherwise it can go horribly wrong. Minus 4 brackets 1 brackets -8 over 2 brackets 1. So there's my formula I've written in. Now we can use the count. All right, so we've got our main screen. We're going to calculate something, so you need to open up a calculate page, and then you press menu. Okay, you should see these kinds of options on your screen now. All right, which of these options do you think we're looking at? Huh?
Algebra.
Algebra, good call. If you hover over algebra, which do you think we're going to look at? It's not actually that obvious. It's actually going to be this one here. What?
What?
Oh, you guys have to.
Polynomial tools.
You have to.
Oh, is your calculator different to this one?
Yeah.
Like, you have to look at the bottom one.
All right, so polynomial tools. That's what I've got.
Yeah, but we have to go to like another.
All right, okay, so we're doing polynomial tools. Now, remember I said at the beginning it was a polynomial? So it's polynomial tools. Now, we are finding the roots of a polynomial. There's a reason it's at the top, because it's the most popular thing that you're going to be looking at. So you check that. Now, here it asks for the degree. That means what's the highest power of x that you're trying to solve. You will only be solving, she says confidently, at this level, quadratic, so that will always be a 2. Roots, real, just leave that and just press OK. Now this is where you're going to enter your coefficients. Okay, it helps you because it's got A2 is looking in front of the x squared, the A1 is in front of the x, and the A0 is stuck on the end. So what were our values that we just had? 1, -6, and was it -8?
Yep.
And then you press OK. It comes up with something fancy. You then just press enter, and it tells you your two answers. Now, mine's given it to me in root form. So if you need to change it, you press menu, number, convert to decimal. And that will change both of your solutions to a decimal. Okay? Now, that Tam is looking at me as if to say, well, why on earth should I go from that lava? Can't I just put it in the calculator? Yes, you can. However, if you're entering all of these numbers in several different positions, making sure the square root sign is there, having it as a fraction, there are elements that you could go wrong. All you had to do is once you got to the correct screen, whilst it may have taken a while to find it now, you'll become quite quick at it. You're just entering these three numbers, in which case that's a lot faster. But it's completely up to you. You can, of course, and you can even do it with the baby calcs. You don't have to use the big calculator for this. It's just a feature that is a little faster. Okay? And so once we've done this, we then give our two solutions. I can't remember what they are. Sorry, what they should be.
I'm not quite want to.
But I don't think this is right. I know.
Two up to get in a comment.
Oh, yeah?
You told me two different numbers.
Yeah.
For the first one. Alright, so there's our two solutions. Okay? Let's do this one. And you can go ahead and do this on your own. Take this got the right answer. So, is it equal to 0? Yes. So we find our values. A is 2, B is 7, negative 7, negative 7, and I suppose already negative, so there's no negative 7. What? When we're identifying A, B, and C, we take the number as they are. We've done the same for every question sweetheart.
I swear that you
Emma, when we enter it into the formula, we change the sign of it. No, sweetheart, because we're identifying the value is negative 7. So when we are entering it into the calculator as well, we must enter negative 7. Okay? So C is 4. Enter it into the formula. So we've got x equals. Oh, hang on. So we've got to write our formula first, Emily. Yes? So we've got x equals. So it's minus b, so it's going to be positive 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 in brackets squared minus 4 brackets 2 brackets 4 over 2 brackets 2. Remember, that's their minimum work you must show, so you have to put that in there. You can then enter those coefficients into the calculator that we've just done, and you will find two solutions. I'll pause while we get those. Alright, so we all get 2.78 and 0.72. Just to check the question, how is it around it? Could be 3 significant figures, it could be 2 decimal places. Just follow the instructions. That's what I know some of you in the last test weren't great at following instructions about rounding. Right, okay, so let's have some practice of some of the